Ever wondered what's beneath Florida's waves? Join us as we dive into the unknown. Day 1. The water? Mysterious. Expectations? High. Ready for the unexpected. Day 7. Whoa, is that an ancient ruin? Not just a dive, it's a discovery. Day 30. Sinkholes? Explored. Marine sounds? Unraveled. Curiosity? Piqued. Okay, yeah, I'm hooked. Join the hatched ocean exploration and uncover the secrets beneath. The abyss opens, Florida's sudden sinkholes. In late 2024, NOAA researchers aboard an exploration vessel encountered a startling phenomenon near the Florida Straits. Massive, actively forming sinkholes on the ocean floor, some over 300 feet wide and deeper than a 30-story building. Sonar footage revealed spiraling sediment columns and turbulent water flows, suggesting powerful subsurface forces at play. The proximity of these sinkholes to major shipping routes and coral reef systems raises concerns about potential hazards. Theories about their formation range from collapsing ancient freshwater aquifers to methane venting creating weak zones. The interconnected nature of some sinkholes hints at a larger, unknown geologic process reshaping the ocean floor in real time. Silent screams the glowing coral crisis. Off Florida's southern tip, marine biologists observed an eerie glow spreading across large sections of the coral reef. This phenomenon, known as fluorescent bleaching, is triggered by extreme heat. In 2025, record-breaking sea surface temperatures caused an unprecedented spike in this emergency response. Entire reef sections near the Florida Keys lit up in haunting blues, purples, and greens. This glow signifies not health, but a fight for survival. The rapid spread of bleaching, declining fish populations, and doubling coral die-off rates have led to ecological disaster areas. Efforts like assisted coral reproduction and underwater shade structures are underway. But time is running out for these vital ecosystems. Join the fight to save our reefs and protect marine life. Echoes from the deep, mysterious underwater sounds. Oceanographers are buzzing about a mysterious sound near the Florida escarpment. They call it the drum beat, a low rumble every 4 seconds, all day, every day. Seismographs say it's not tectonic, and sonar shows no subs or vents. Some think it's massive underground fluid movements, maybe methane or brine. The sound's slow, northward drift and seabed vibrations are raising eyebrows. Research vessels are on the case with hydrophones and AI, but the ocean's keeping its secrets. Breath of the Earth. Methane plumes rising. Just east of the Florida Panhandle, NOAA expeditions made a startling discovery. Methane bubbles are rising from the seafloor, mapped using advanced sonar. Over 50 methane seeps stretch across the continental shelf, some 800 feet tall. These plumes erupt near ancient fault lines where sinkholes are forming. Geochemists warn methane is destabilizing due to warmer temperatures. This poses geological risks and impacts climate, as methane is potent. Underwater sensors are now tracking seep intensity and hydrate stability. The Unseen Predator, a colossal marine enigma. In April 2025, a research drone captured something incredible off the dry Tortugas. Descending into a sinkhole, it filmed a colossal marine animal over 20 feet long. Frame by frame, we saw a muscular body with a bioluminescent flicker. It left a wake of disturbed sediment, baffling marine researchers. This creature doesn't match any known sharks, squid, or eels. Its movement through vertical sinkholes suggests high-pressure adaptation. Local divers have tales of ghost eels and sonar anomalies here, but this is the first time something this size was caught on camera. Ocean biologists are calling for a deep survey of Florida's sinkholes. Shifting grounds, the moving continental shelf. Recent bathymetric studies show Florida's continental shelf is slowly creeping downward. Near the Miami Terrace and Florida escarpment, movement is just centimeters per year. But combined stress and weakening sediment worry scientists about underwater landslides. A sudden collapse could send tsunami-like waves toward Florida's coast. Simulations predict 5 to 15-foot waves could hit within an hour. New early warning systems are being developed to monitor these risks. Deadly pools, the spread of toxic brine lakes. During a 2025 dive near DeSoto Canyon, we found something eerie. Dense brine pools, devoid of oxygen, deadly to marine life. These death lakes are expanding, linking into larger networks. They trap methane and carbon, releasing it when chemistry shifts. New analysis shows they're migrating, tied to Florida's sinkholes. This discovery could reshape our understanding of oceanic ecosystems. Magnetic mysteries, the Cape Canaveral anomaly. While conducting electromagnetic surveys of the seabed for future wind farm sites, we stumbled upon something incredible. A powerful magnetic anomaly off the coast of Cape Canaveral, about 3 meters wide. It was so intense it caused temporary failures in our compasses, sonar systems, and even drone navigation. Our GPS coordinates drifted slightly while crossing the zone, a phenomenon known as geomagnetic drift. At the center, a massive, buried object, possibly a metallic structure lodged deep beneath the sediment. Core samples revealed oxidized metals and strange magnetic crystals not native to Florida's geology. Theories range from a fragmented meteorite to ancient shipwrecks rich in magnetic ore. Or could it be deep earth iron deposits reaching the surface through fault zones? The mystery continues to unfold as we dig deeper into this magnetic enigma. Life in the void, alien microbes and blue holes. In the pitch-black, oxygen-deprived depths of Florida's blue holes, scientists have discovered extremophile bacteria. These microbes thrive in high-sulfur, high-pressure environments, exhibiting bioluminescent traits. Collected from mineral chimneys over 1,000 feet below, they form mats resembling coral, but they're bacterial. Genetic sequencing reveals enzymes that break down heavy metals and fix nitrogen without light. A potential goldmine for biotech and medicine, some microbes might predate multicellular life. NASA is intrigued as these conditions mimic those on icy moons like Europa and Enceladus. Ancient waves, tsunami evidence in seafloor sediments. Sediment cores from Florida's seafloor reveal ancient tsunami layers. These layers, filled with sand and shells, show waves once flooded far inland. Some deposits are over 3,000 years old, others just centuries. Researchers are eyeing underwater landslides as possible causes. This discovery changes East Coast tsunami risk assumptions. It's a wake-up call for better warning systems and evacuation plans. The Florida coast, a paradise on the surface, but a mystery in the deep. From glowing coral reefs that scream silently for help, to sinkholes that open like jaws in the ocean floor, from ancient tsunamis buried in the sand, to colossal creatures caught only in flickers of light. These are not just stories. These are warnings. Every dive, every sonar scan, every strange vibration is a reminder. We still know so little about the world beneath the waves. And sometimes, the most terrifying discoveries are the ones still waiting to be found. Is Florida's coastline quietly reshaping itself beneath us? Are ancient forces awakening beneath the seabed? Or are we only now scratching the surface of a much deeper, darker truth? One thing is certain. The ocean keeps its secrets well. But for how much longer? If you found this journey as fascinating and unsettling as we did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because the sea is vast, and this is only the beginning.